Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use vanilla gift card at Walmart. In order to use vanilla gift card or to redeem a vanilla gift card at Walmart, all you need to do is follow the instruction and watch this video till the end. Now to begin with, first thing first, open up or log in into your Walmart account. Once you're logged in, click the profile icon from the top. And so generally, in order to use a gift card on Walmart, all you have to do is you have to use it as a way of payment method. So simply you'll have to select the product that you wish to buy. So in my case, I've already added the product into the cart. So as you can see, the product has already been added. Now click continue to checkout from the top right hand side, and here you need to go ahead and tap on continue to checkout. After you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to review your orders. So basically you'll have to look for the items detail, and for the review orders, all you have to do is just provide in your information, all of these, and click the continue button. On the other page, you'll be able to find a payment section where you need to go ahead and add the gift card details or the redemption code details. So basically for the redemption detail, all you have to do is type in or enter in the redeem code number and then click the submit button. And once the product has been successfully ordered, you'll be able to see an amount that has been discounted. That's basically how you can redeem vanilla gift card at Walmart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.